Sweet golden onions, feta cheese, sun-dried tomatoes, and a whole lot more. Sounds like the best Mediterranean orzo dish you have ever had. Each serving is about 420 calories with protein from the feta and orzo, fiber from the veggies, and healthy fats from the olive oil and sun-dried tomatoes. To keep it vegan, obviously skip the feta or use a plant-based cheese. For extra protein, enjoy with fish, chicken, or shrimp. Just prepare them separately. That's it. Mediterranean baked orzo with feta, caramelized onions, sun-dried tomatoes, and spinach. A skillet full of flavor and comfort. This is part of my weekly one-pan Mediterranean series. Always easy, healthy, and budget-friendly meals that fit right into a Mediterranean diet plan. If you're enjoying these recipes, be sure to subscribe so you won't miss the next dish. And don't forget, you can always watch my other videos for more quick and flavorful Mediterranean ideas. Thank you so much for joining me today. Look forward to seeing you next time as we dive into another one-pan dish. Until then, stay healthy and take care.